Okay, back when COVID-19 and the pandemic was running, there was a resurgence in this thing called QR codes. Now, by now we've seen them. QR codes are something that you scan using your phone and it takes you to an information source, or you can check in, or you can do whatever you need to do. Basically, it takes you to a form on a web. So QR codes are now extremely accessible to us as business owners to use within our marketing. So today we're going to dive into 4 different ways that you can use QR codes within your marketing efforts. So QR codes are built in pretty much everywhere nowadays. They're built in with social sharing links. Canva's got them built into their platforms. There are still great tools out there like Bitly that give you great stats if you're using QR codes within your marketing. If you're going to create a poster or a flyer or some information that's going to be put up somewhere at an event, putting a QR code, especially to a URL that's specific for that event, allows you to be able to track what's happening. You can have a QR code for the newsletter sign up. You could have a QR code that possibly goes through a special offer or a competition or a giveaway on that poster. The QR code is the easy way of people being able to scan so they don't have to remember the web address. Another way that we can use it in our business and our marketing is by using it for further information. So if you pack a product or you send a freebie or a sample, put the QR code on it there so people can scan it and get to know more about how to use it, or maybe how to engage with it, or the resources and the amazing things that you've got, or maybe the complementary products that even go with that product or service. Remember, once we've sold something to someone, they're already engaged. If we continue to provide great service, great resources, great add-ons, then chances are they're likely to buy from us again. So that's another handy way that we can use QR codes within our marketing. QR codes are great at events or at different areas to share contact information. So if people want more information, you can have a QR code on a lanyard and they can scan it and you can be sharing information with each other. And you can know that, this person wanted this particular type of information. And if you are promoting maybe more than one product or service, you might have a lanyard that has, you flip either way for a different type of inquiry so that they can scan the QR code and fill out some information, or you can get their contact information, or they can get your contact information, or they can find out about that special offer by filling in the form. So it's a handy way of using QR codes at events. Lanyard, QR codes, pop them in, being able to scan, especially if you're networking and you want to share contact details. So that's another handy way that you can use QR codes. And another great way to use QR codes, especially if you're in store or you're doing something else, and I saw it with the touchscreen the other day, but the touchscreen didn't work, is using QR codes to be able to have them scan for customer feedback. They can scan the QR code, they can provide you the feedback, they can let you know about the experience, and you can maybe add a little bit of a bonus or a giveaway in there as well. And then finally, I'm going to add one more in. Using QR codes in your store, in your products, in your deliveries, to allow people to be able to scan them, to leave you a review or a testimonial if they love the product. That's a great way to remind people to leave you a review, because people need to be reminded we're busy and we forget things, and also make it really simple that they don't have to remember a web address or what your Facebook page or your Google page is. You text them directly to the place that you want them to leave the review. So there we go. There are some ways that you can use QR codes, people can use their phones, and you can share more information in the products you send, in the marketing materials you put together, asking for reviews, and being able to direct people to a website, which is basically what a QR code is all about, is directing people to the information they need, to the website, and helping them engage. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip and trick along the way. If this is your first time visiting, please like, subscribe, and share. And I share even more tips like this on how to market your business in my inner circle, the marketing circle. So if you want to check that out, I'd love to see you in there.